Yo, what's up with y'all boys, man? It's your boy Kid J back on the screen, back on the YouTube thing, man, with another video. Got another lit install for you today. We about to get straight into it, man. Let me show y'all what I got. As you know, I got the 2018 Charger. Well, I don't even know what year it is. I just know I got a Scat Pack bumper, and I got snorkel holes for it. But the snorkels that came with the last one didn't have lights, of course, so I had to get the ones with the lights. I'm be installing this today. It seemed like an easy setup from what I watched on, from what I read offline. It didn't come with instructions, of course, so I had to do some research to find out how to plug them up and how to run them. And since I know, I'm gonna let y'all know. And if I post this video, that means it worked. So I ain't gonna lead y'all in the wrong direction. But yeah, let me show y'all these lights real quick, man. Just a regular snorkel with the lights. They light up white. I didn't get the ones that go crazy colors like the RGB ones to match my headlights because those was like $150 to $200 a piece. And these both were $90 off Amazon. I'm gonna tag the link in the the drop down below the description. I'm gonna drop the link in the description, man. So yeah, we better go ahead and get this setup started. So here we are, man. You know you gotta pop that hood, man. Get that hood open. I'm about to show y'all what y'all need to complete this install. Of course, you got the lights. And the lights got ground, power wire, you know, and then you got these yellow and green ones. This is for the functioning with the turn signal. So they white, but they also turn the little amber color as a turn signal. If you wire those up, that's optional. But of course, I'm gonna wire that up. You're gonna need butt connectors, 4 butt connectors, electrical tape, and the wire strippers and cutters so you can, you know, splice into them wires. And this is where it's gonna go. They're gonna fit in there. So I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna get into this. Before you can feed the wire through, you gotta push these panels out. You gotta get these panels out. You gotta push these pop pins out so you can get access to the wire to feed it through. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, take these bad boys out, and then feed my wire through and stick my box. A couple of the pins off. I ain't pop all of them off. I only pop a couple off. So I'm about to feed the wire through my little snorkel hole. And then I'm gonna wire it after that. Let's see, man. Get it in here. If you got big hands, bro, it's gonna be hard for you. I'm just letting you know that now. Trying to lift this up. Just lifting it up a little bit. I'm gonna feed it through. You'll see the hole where it goes through it. Got it. Nope, that wasn't it. So close. All right, boom. Got them. Fed the wire through. Got everything up and out. Like I said, everything just fit up through there. I'm gonna stick this box right here underneath before I actually clip this in. So yeah. So right now I'm about to wire it. Make sure it works before I clip it in because it's hard to get this out after you clip it, and I don't want to mess up no tabs. So what you're gonna need to do is start off with, go to your headlight. You wanna unclip this harness right here. All right, here go to my wire harness right here. You just push this tab down and pull it out. Mine was difficult, so I had to get a flathead and push it down. But you're gonna wanna peel back this tape right here so you can get a good little bit of access to the wire. So when you strip it, you don't strip it too close. We'll cut into it, you don't cut it too close. So I'm gonna do that. All right, so we back. I done wired the red to the white and orange. Got that all wired in there, put a connector on that. And instead of splicing to any black wires, cause I don't really like splicing that much. So instead of splicing it into this, I took it and I ran it and connected to this ground right here, which is also ground for my headlight. So I just took that off and grounded that right there. Now I'm about to go ahead and splice the wire to get my turning signal to function as well. And those are these right here. So I'm about to take these off and splice these into the wires, the white and tan wires down here. And with the white and tan, you just pick any white and tan. Just make sure everything's functional before you put everything away. All right, I cleaned everything up. Electrical tape all the extra wires for the length and whatnot. Put it right there, and I zip tied it right here to try to clean up a little bit more. And while I splice that, put a little electrical tape in there. Cover all that up. So nothing really too much exposed from where I cut it. I left that out because on the other side, as you can see, it's left out a little bit there too. So yeah, I figured I would be straight. So now to show y'all that it worked. Everything in, I'm about to turn it on. I got it hooked up to where, not the headlights. Man, shut up. Not the headlights all the way on to power them, but just like the brake lights. So if you only got the brake lights on, it will come on. So to turn that on and show y'all how bright it is. Yeah, and that's one side right there. Turn on this signal. Thank you, camera. Nah, it didn't come on. I'm just pressing the hazard. I don't feel like turning my car on. All right. Show y'all it's on with the hazard. So yeah, basically do the same thing, but to the other side. All right, now we on the driver's side. The color's a little different, but it's the same concept. So the red is gonna go to the white and brown wire right here. And then I ground my black to another port that I already had down there. And now your green and yellow are gonna splice into the green and white wire on your driver's side. And the white and green wire, there's two of them. The second one's over here. Make sure you test the connection before you do it, because one of them isn't the hazards or the blinker. So I went into the first one, tied it up, got the connection good, tried it, and the blinkers didn't come on. So then I had to go into the second one, and now the blinkers work. So make sure you use the right white and green wire and test before you put the butt connectors on. So now I'm about to clean this side up and show y'all what it look like. And this is what these bad boys look like at night. I finished everything. I'm gonna show y'all what daylight look like, but here go at night. These boys bright. Messing up the camera. It's bright. You see what they doing on the ground, man. I'm loving it. About to go turn on the hazards right quick. Dancing with the hazards, man. Everything's smooth. So I'm about to turn all my lights on now. Woo. Here it go. I wish all this reflection was going on, man. This thing is clean. These aren't yellow as it's showing in the camera. These are the same white. They are the same color. Ooh-wee, boy. This thing is mean, bro. Quick little setup, bro. I advise you to do it, man. It's clean.